What is going on, guys? So we got a little bit of some packaging we're going to open. I made a video earlier and somehow I accidentally deleted it, but these are supposed to be welding gloves, but I'm pretty sure they're the wrong size because after I ordered them I looked back and it said kids. So at least my son will have a nice set of little gloves. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Pretty sure they're way too small for me, but they might be. Maybe. We'll see. Oh no, would you check that out? Sweet. So I ordered an XL. Luckily I ordered XL, but they're for kids. But they're TIG welding gloves for my welder, so that's pretty sweet. This is what I've been waiting on. I made a video of taking the wastegate dump tube off my Civic, but somehow the footage got corrupted. But I'm waiting on this so we can put the cover plate on the hood. It just should be a rivet kit. Another package in a package. Heck yeah, check that out. Good tape. So get a rivet gun with a little bit of rivets. This is supposed to be an actual carrying case according to the thing, but I guess not. So there we go, got ourselves a little rivet gun. Comes with some extra for different sizes, so that's pretty sweet. This is what we're going to use to put on the hood. Hopefully they're long enough and work. They should, they're not very long, so they should work great for the application we're going to be doing to the Civic. So now that we have this, we can get our little square measured out and grinded down and just rivet it on and drill some holes into the hood of the Civic. So that'll be pretty sweet. We'll get this done and we'll be back with you guys outside. So we're just gonna eyeball the hole. So not a big deal. Because we're gonna have to do a little bit of stuff. That should do it. Gives us room to slide up and down if we need to. So let's get back to that. Let's put this. Sweet. It'd probably work a little better if I had a cutting disc, but I don't. So. Perfect. We just gotta clean it all up. Sweet. Alright, so I'll clean this all up and then we'll see what the aftermath looks like. Alright, so this is what I got so far. I just painted it gray. I thought I had black, but I was going to paint it black. I don't want it to rust. I still have the inside to do. It's all cleaned up. I will throw some clear over it. Yeah, I just basically did it with a grinder. And since there was some rust here, I went ahead and primered this hole because we're just going to cover this whole area up. And I marked where I want the plate to rest all the way around because I like that position of it, so it'll look pretty good. So we're gonna let that dry and then we're gonna go ahead and drill out the holes to put it on the hood And we'll go ahead and use these guys here to install it with my new rivet gun. So it'll be sweet. Anyways, we'll see you back as soon as that dries. Catch you later. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and drill this all set up. And we're gonna get our first rivet in. Hopefully, without any issues. This drill sucks. So I'm going to set my first rivet in. Maybe I'm just going to go ahead and drill all the holes out first. Probably the best idea. Yeah, that should be fun. That's what it looks like. Just gotta put a few more rivets in it and we'll call it a day. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Alright, so now I did get this all done. I found a drill bit that was the right size. It's a little gap here, but that's okay. But overall it looks pretty good. I was trying to find black, but I couldn't find it. And I'm sure that drill bit's somewhere up in there. Hood's patched up. And it's snowing outside, so that's good. Fantastic. Love the snow. But got that dent all pulled up, except for this little one here. But overall it'll be okay. Now we just need to do the hood pins. But like I said before, guys, I do have suspension coming for this, new front rotors coming for this car, and we are going to take it to the dyno and get it tuned. It's only going to make 500. We're just going to leave it on race gas. Still has crappy pistons in it, but they should still hold. They're one above factory. So that is that. I did that pretty good one-handed. Just cleaning up some stuff. I know you guys would like to probably see more of the Civic, but it's going to be down, and I won't drive on the street anymore, so it's only a track car now only, because we got the trailer there to load it up on. As you can see, it's still pretty filthy. We did relocate the gauges there, has no ECU in it. And we're going to keep most of the interior. The back seats will be coming out. These leather GSR seats will be up for sale. And they're great shape. Not a rip, not a tear, nothing in them. Beautiful. But that goes for that. And I'm so glad I got that figured out. Like, I've never done stuff like this. I'm not no fabricator. I don't know how to cut metal that well. None of this stuff. I just know how to put a motor together and pull it out and somewhat tune it. But I ain't tuning it. I'm having somebody else tune that. Do all my dirty work. That's what's nice. And I want it to make safe, decent power, not blow up. I've done a few. These, but it's alright. Anyways, I'm going to end this video for that. If you guys like what you see and you want to see more, of this Civic, I mean, this season I'm looking for high 10s, low 11s. So that's what we're shooting for. So until then, I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you.